2, 1, go. Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be joined by my sister, the Diamond Queen. Where is she? 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 Oh my god.
Am I Elsa?
Yeah. So her skin is Elsa. I was just helping her on her phone.
Is Elsa the queen?
Yeah.
Hey, look at my head. Look at my head. Look, I'm sad.
And stop being weird because we're making a video, and we're gonna see how to make a diamond waterfall.
How?
Look, wait.
I need to go up.
You wanna go up?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let me help her. Just a moment. Is it cool?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I know. And this
are you okay?
Yeah. But this doesn't make me under.
Yeah. You can't take the diamonds.
Why?
It's thief-proof. If you're a thief, haha, you can't take them. Not even. Guys, if you're a creator, protect this with bedrock. Alright? I'm just telling you. It's thief-proof. You can't take it, not even from here.
Hey, wait, let me make something.
I don't know how it's going through this. And by the way,
I'm making something, Mateo.
where are you?
I'm right here making something.
Where are you?
I'm right here.
Don't make something there. Okay, guys, here's how it looks like, but we're not going to show you there. So I rebuilt it over here. And take a look so you can copy build. Now we're gonna build the thing. So all what you need is 1 redstone repeater, 2 redstone comparator. I'm gonna tell you how much hoppers. I don't really know how because you need a bunch. You need 5 droppers, 1 dispenser, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 redstone torch, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 redstone. So this is how you build it. 1,
But you look, I just make a sofa.
3, 4. Oh, she actually made a sofa. 1, 2, 3, 4. After a dropper, you need to leave 2 spaces. After 1 space here, so you need to crouch. After go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you need 5. After dispenser, you need to try and jump like this. That's how you do it. That's a professional does it. No, not really. I'm sorry. After, take your redstone comparator, jump and do this. It needs to be facing this way. Don't turn it on. Take your redstone, go like this. Take your redstone repeater, go like this. After do this, destroy this. This goes like.
If you want to go out, you go here. If you want to go out.
Yeah, so you need 3 like this.
Ooh.
After you go 1, 2. Take your comparator, go like this, turn it on. After take your redstone, go like 1, 2, 3. After this, go like that. After take your whatever kind of block, go like 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, until you've reached the dispenser. After same thing, wait, no, not the same thing. After go like this, no, don't do that. Oops, you're skipping blocks here.
Never mind.
Yeah, you do that. After, do just go up with this. There. Do that. Wait. Am I doing this right? Wait, guys, just wait a moment. Momento. Wait un momento.
It's gonna be a great day.
So, wait. Oh man. Sorry guys. So destroy
What's
this.
going on?
After this. Nope. Destroy this block. After this block. After you've done that, destroy this. Destroy this. And destroy this. After you do that, take the redstone torch. This, and this. And then you're pretty much done. No. Are you saying that I'm done? No, we're not done. You need to crouch. Crouch. Hurry. Ah! Okay. You crouch and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Where's my brother? Where's my brother?
Then after you put 3 on each side. So that's 8,
Hey.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Can you be quiet? 30, 31, 32. Sorry about that.
What are you doing?
I'm building. That was 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. You need 56 hoppers. Oh my god, that's actually too much. After decorated on the sides and the front here. Yeah, the front over here. And also, you can do this. This is how I went through the block. Choose whatever kind of carpet. I'm gonna choose orange this time. After
Go right here.
crouch, do this, do this. Just keep doing this. Ah, this just reminded me of a pool table that I made once, that I invented. It was sick. Not that sick, but sick for me. My opinion. After you do this, you need to crouch to do this. This, oh no. Oh no! Okay. This. Ooh, it's the end. And I'm gonna make my new intro soon. Oh, there we go. That's actually a pretty cool color. I like it. After, take whatever block you want. I'm gonna take a sword. Look. After, to activate it, put the redstone torch here. See? It just keeps shooting the sword, see? Whoop. Goes back up. Boop. 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 Just gonna keep going, see? I'm gonna take a sword. There we go. I'm gonna take I'm gonna take some emeralds. Oh, cool. Now I'm just gonna put some emeralds. Emeralds. There. Now I'm gonna take the redstone torch. Activate. Oh, give me all the rain. Oh, it's raining. It's raining emeralds. Give me all the emeralds. Oh, he's not really giving me here to me, but oh, give me all the emeralds. Yeah. Okay, guys, I think that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. And this, oh, I just love the rain. Oh, give me all the emeralds. Oh,
I
okay.
just died.
Okay, that's the end of the video. Where's my sister? Where is my sister? Oh yeah, I remember she's. Oopsies, I'm sorry. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. I just hurt myself with the cable. Oh. Oh. Oh man. Oh man. Wait, I'm right here. Oh, geez. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Okay, guys, but that's the end of the video. Bye.